Welcome viewers, Dr. JWA. She told police she was trying to make money for a family, but officers say she had been travelling at 116 miles per hour, had no rear lights and nearly hit several people, all while supposedly making a delivery. What looked like someone desperately trying to earn a few extra dollars was about to reveal something far more dangerous.
Yeah, just for a second. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead and get on out of the car. Make sure it's in park. But in park.
You can see immediate
Is it too difficult to put it in park?
No, it's...
Where are you coming from?
I'm DoorDash.
What?
I'm DoorDashing.
You're DoorDash.
You can see she's intoxicated immediately.
How much have you had to drink?
She cannot manage the car or herself.
The reason that I'm trying to stop you is because rear lights, you about ran into 2 or 3 people. Put the car in park.
I do not know why it's not ending in part.
World of lost AWOL women, viewers.
I'm sorry.
It's bad, really bad.
I want to put in park. It won't let me put...
Is this your car?
This is my car. I'm so frustrated right now.
Okay, well, crying ain't gonna do any good, so...
I know.
Let's go ahead and let's figure out.
It's my in-laws' car. It's my in-laws' car. I'm trying to put it in park.
Pull your parking brake.
It won't let me put it in park. I'm so sorry.
All right.
I'm just trying to make...
Does it have a key? Does it have... I'm gonna turn it off.
Parking, yes.
All right, let's go ahead and get on out of the car. It's turned off.
Yes.
Lay your foot off the brake, see what it does. No, put it on, put it on, put it on.
Oh my gosh, it's my in-laws' car. I'm so sorry.
Just leave your foot on the brake for now.
I'm trying to leave. It won't let me put my car into it. I can't put it in position. I'm just...
Let me see your license. How much have you had to drink tonight?
I had 1 glass of wine with my friend I had 1 glass of wine with my girlfriend.
So she's a liar.
Who is a single mom, and I'm newly to a single mom, and I'm not drunk. I'm just...
So why were you doing 116 miles an hour?
I'm trying to get the Uber to my order correctly, and I'm sorry. I'm so new to this. I'm just trying to get the best tip that I can.
She initially claimed she had consumed only 1 glass of wine, explaining that she was door dashing and speeding because she wanted to get the order correctly and earn the best possible tip. But she could barely follow basic instructions. Officers repeatedly told her where to stand and how to perform the sobriety test, yet she struggled to understand or complete them. Eventually, the officer stopped the tests and arrested her for driving under the influence. Then came the breath test. The first reading was 0.23, the second 0.24. Police recorded the lower result, almost 3 times the legal limit. The officer explained that anything above 1.15 qualified as aggravated DUI under the law he was discussing. And suddenly the explanation about DoorDash and making money for children looked very different.
Right over. Come on. Come right over here.
A lot of these women
You
will
just stand right here
lie.
for me. Okay?
They will lie.
I want you to put your feet together, heel to heel, toe to toe, just like this.
They'll live in denial. You won't get a
Just like that.
resolve.
See how I'm standing? Okay, put your feet just like my feet are. No, no. See how I'm standing just like this? Okay, we're going to call that good. Just stay right there. Okay? Can you see the tip of my pen right here? Over here is the pen, not the flashlight. Don't look at the flashlight. The pen.
She's completely not there.
The top, the silver part, right here. You see it? All right, I want you to follow it with your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay? You understand? All right. Don't move
It's
your
a
head,
fail.
okay?
She's failed. Viewers, trying to provide for your family is absolutely 100% understandable. Driving at 116 miles per hour with a reported 0.23 alcohol concentration is completely unacceptable. And this happens more than you think. The officer told her she was lucky she hadn't killed somebody and herself. She wanted to make a few extra dollars for her family, apparently. Instead, she risked leaving another family without someone they loved. No delivery, no tip, no financial struggle is worth somebody else's life or your own.
I'm so looking. Girl, man, I gotta get home to my kids.
Okay.
I'm looking home.
Okay.
I'm looking home.
Quit moving your head.
No, well, I'm not.
Ready?
I'm moving home.
So now you can
You gotta
see
move.
she's
You
just
gotta
starting
walk.
to
You said
randomly
don't
say
move.
anything.
Don't move your head.
I'm not moving.
Watch it with your eyes
I'm
open,
locked
okay?
in.
All right.
What happens is a lot of these
Already.
women, they become privileged. They don't get disciplined. The boyfriend or the husband just goes along with it. And they end up completely self-unaware.
What we want to do
I'm
is
sorry,
you want
you're
to
in
watch with
my
your
lap.
eyes only.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Don't move your head.
I'm looking at you.
That's a fail.
Ready? Follow it with your eyes only.
I got you. I don't f around with kids.
Okay, listen to what I'm telling you, okay?
I understand.
I want you to look at the tip of my pen. I want you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes only. Don't move your head. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try it again.
No, she's failed, viewers. Fail.
Okay, you're moving your head. Keep your head straight.
I'm moving my eyes. Only. I'm moving my eyes only.
Keep your head straight.
I'm moving my eyes versus I do Uber Eats orders.
I don't really care what you're doing. I want you to pay attention to what you're
I got
doing
you.
right now.
I have you.
Look up here, not at the bottom.
Yes, sir. I had a
See,
single
one of the lessons of this, viewers, is many men get deceived by good looks. But good looks without character is not good looks at all. And a lot of you guys that are watching this need to wake up. Look for character. Don't look for good looks.
I don't know if you police police officers. I'm coming to my house.
Okay, how much have you had to drink?
I had a glass and a half of wine.
A glass and a half of wine. Okay, how long ago was that?
30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago. All right. Okay. Well, you can't do any of these tests. So right now, it's actually 1 o'clock right now, and you're under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and turn around. There you go.
I'm trying to be as honest as sweet with you. Can you please be honest?
Yeah, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to take you, and we're going to do some stuff in the... Approved medical personnel under Oklahoma law.
Yes.
Once you complete the state's test, you may have an additional test at your own expense. You are not entitled to consult with an attorney prior to making your decision whether to submit to the state's test. You may refuse the state's test, but as a consequence, your driving privileges will... Seat right here for me.
This looks so bad. I'm just trying to be a daughter too for my fucking family. I'm so. Hey, if I'm not, please arrest me. I'm just here. If I'm not, please just keep me here.
We gotta wait 2 minutes. We'll blow one more time, and then after that, I'll take you out of the handcuffs and I'll let you go to the bathroom. Okay? All right. You ready?
Yep.
All right. One more time, just like you did a while ago. Ready, set, go. Keep going, 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 keep going. You almost got it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Good job, good job. All right. Okay, so here's the results of the test, okay? So this right here, this is the first breath that you did, okay? The first breath was 0.23, okay? The second breath was a 0.24. Okay. The way that this works, it will give you the lower of those two numbers. So the result is a 0.23, okay? Yes. That's almost 3 times the legal limit, okay? So, yeah, it's actually an aggravated DUI. But I probably won't do that, honestly.
Can you please explain this to me better? Because I don't even understand how this is not a 1, but yet this is an aggravated DUI.
So anything over 0.15 is aggravated.
I'm 24 years old. I do not understand this. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, well...
I'm trying... No.
Basically what it is...
It's not an ignorance to the law. I understand that my finances contribute deliberately. Holy shit.
Okay, go ahead and stand on that.
I was supposed to make more off DUI than,
Okay, I gotta put these back on you so we can go outside.
I thought I was supposed to make DUI. What's it called, DoorDash? What's it called, dude?
I think that's what you said you were doing, was DoorDashing.
That's supposed to be what you're doing.